Hello everybody and welcome back to Make Money Now. Students go to school to get an education for a better, more prosperous life. However, many of the good habits needed to be successful are learned outside the classroom. Developing good habits that will help individuals of all ages succeed can never start too early. These routines will help us create success for the rest of our lives. They are the tools we need to live life to the fullest. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a career professional, a student, or even unemployed, your habits are either empowering you to achieve and succeed or deterring and holding you back. For most of us, we're limited by our habits. We have habits that hold us back and can't seem to quit. But for others who possess a repertoire of really good habits, success and goal achievement is more automatic and easily realized. Today we're going to be talking about 6 millionaire habits we wish we knew at 20. Make sure you stay into number 1 as you don't want to miss a great technique that just about anyone can do. Number 6, they get up early. Waking up early is a productivity method, rising early and consistently so as to be able to accomplish more during the day. This method has been recommended since antiquity and is now recommended by a number of personal development gurus. Rising before the sun and running calibrated protocol is the one habit that lifts every other one. You have more time to think in silence, work undisturbed, and mentally prepare for the day's most importantly. Mornings give you the most opportunity to set the tone for the day, accomplishing something right away, whether that's clearing out your inbox, exercising, or eating a nutritious breakfast. Sets off a chain reaction of other productive behavior throughout the day. There's also something wonderful about knowing you're getting a head start while others are still asleep. Also, a strategy to deal with inevitable daily disruptions, such as a meeting that went too long, a rigorous traffic, or having to pick up your sick kid from school. These disruptions have a psychological effect on us. They can drip into our subconscious and eventually form the belief that we have no control over our life. Getting up at 5 in the morning to tackle the top 3 things you want to accomplish in your day allows you to regain control of your life. It gives you a sense of confidence over your life. It puts the reins of your life back into your hands. Number 5, using their dreams to get goals. Goals and dreams are two concepts that are often used interchangeably in the quest for success. Although they can be used to complement one another, they do mean different things. There are different ways to describe what goals are. It can be said that goals are the desired outcomes that you have plans and commitment to achieve. What makes goals spectacular is that the things you want to achieve are clearly defined with a time frame within which they should be achieved. One of the activities that self-made millionaires do is known as dream setting. This is where they write down their dream life and then identify the goals that will get them to that life in the form of bullet points. After that, they come up with plans that will assist them to achieve each one of these goals. The dream is a ladder, while these goals are the rungs. If there is any extra knowledge or skill that is required to accomplish these dreams, the self-made millionaire gets it and learn it. Eventually, they are on a fast track to their millions. So many people are too timid to admit they want to achieve something and go for it. When there is something that you want to accomplish, don't think, I could never actually do that. Think, I could do that and I will do that. Millionaires play to win, not to avoid defeat. What it means is becoming more assertive and honest within yourself. You don't have to grab off other people. There is a big pot of unclaimed gold in the middle of the table. Why shouldn't you be the one to claim it? You deserve it. Number 4, they give. Sure, some rich people can be selfish jerks, just like anyone else, but the everyday millionaires who live down the street, the ones you don't even realize are wealthy, are some of the most giving people you'll ever meet. They work hard, save, and respect the ability of others to do the same. Whether it's tithing at the church, donating to a charity, or just giving to friends and family, these people have generous spirits. They realize that the most important thing you can do with wealth is help others. That's actually why they continue building their wealth. They realize they can't take it with them when they die. Instead of spending it all on the latest toys, they choose to leave a legacy for the people who mean the most to them. Number 3, don't spend your money, invest it. Investing is something that everyone should do. There are so many benefits of investing that make it no sense not to get started. If you want to build wealth and financial stability, investing is what will get you there. Millionaires tend to be frugal people, and that's because they know the true value of money is in investing. Being your own boss goes hand in hand with becoming a millionaire. You'll want to quit your regular job at some point. Rather than buying yourself a new iPad that's $500, could be used to invest in the stock market. Find the right shares, more on that later, and the money could easily double within a year. There's not just the stock market, there's also property and your own education. Stop working for your money and make your money work for you. This means that you should live well below your means. In this way, you'll have more money left over for savings and also for investment. A very good example of a self-made billionaire who did this is Warren Buffett. He's worth tens of billions of dollars and still lives in the Omaha house that he bought in 1958 for $31,500. It is also reported the majority of self-made millionaires in America drive used cars. This is all in an effort to live below one's means. If you think making money is difficult, especially in these turbulent times, wait till you try to make it last. It takes all of one's financial acumen and enterprise to save, invest, and help it grow. Maintaining this activity turns into a very profitable habit in the long run. Really successful individuals know that true luxury is being able to pursue their dreams instead of being shackled to their spending. So they make a daily effort to grow their wealth and use it on fortune endeavors instead of blowing it on the latest must-have purchase. Number 2, never stop learning. The best thing you can invest in is yourself. As they say, learning is a never-ending journey. Without learning new things, we will remain unaware of wonderful things in the world. Our sight broadens when we get the knowledge and make ourselves lifelong learners. Indeed, traditional education may not be for everyone, but learning is. Once most people leave the education system, they think their learning days are over. Well, theirs might be, but yours shouldn't be. Successful people continually learn and adapt. Most people never read another book after they've left school. Who would you rather be? Learn everything you can learn about how economics work, how the stock markets work, how they trend. Learn new skills. If you have an interest in it, learn everything you can about it. You'd be surprised at how often seemingly useless skills can become extremely useful in the right situation. Start developing the habit of learning continuously. How to create a habit of continuous learning for a better you. One of the best things about life is that we never have to stop learning. There are always new skills to learn and techniques for us to adopt. When you look at the most successful people in the world, they understand this. Warren Buffett spends most of his time reading. The best entrepreneurs in the world don't act like they know everything. They all understand the fact that they have to continuously learn to be successful. Number 1, they exercise. Exercise is defined as any movement that makes your muscles work and requires your body to burn calories. There are many types of physical activity, including swimming, running, jogging, walking, and dancing, to name a few. Being active has been shown to have many health benefits, both physically and mentally. It may even help you live longer. We have all heard it many times before. Regular exercise is good for you and it can help you. Exercise, it's not just for New Year's resolutions anymore. Regular physical activity can give you back 4 extra hours of predominantly each day. It can also boost your mood and prevent diseases like stroke, metabolic syndrome, type 2 diabetes, and depression. If you haven't already, add about 30 minutes of exercise into your daily routine to get the blood flowing and improve your mental clarity so you can be at your best. 76% of the rich aerobically exercise 30 minutes or more every day. Aerobic exercise includes anything cardio-focused, such as running, jogging, walking, or cycling. Cardio is not only good for the body, but it's good for the brain. It grows the neurons, brain cells, in the brain. Exercise also increases the production of glucose. Glucose is brain fuel. The more fuel you feed your brain, the more it grows and the smarter you become. Exercise and physical activity are great ways to feel better, boost your health, and have fun. Remember to check with your doctor before starting a new exercise program, especially if you have any concerns about your fitness, haven't exercised for a long time, have chronic health problems such as heart disease, diabetes, or arthritis. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.